That looks safe. Be careful, Celia. Don't touch that. Does that look good? Yeah? Yummy. Very yummy. 我又是来拍视频。谢谢。那你头发有什么东西？ Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Nanjing. Today, me and little baby Celia are gonna go for another walk around the neighborhood. Say hello. And yeah, see what we can see. It's actually my first time over here. I've never walked over here before, so it'll be a fresh experience for all of us. All right, let's go. Gotta wait for the light, Celia, and then we'll cross the street, okay? Gotta wait for the light. Let's see what we can see over here, Celia. Ooh, Celia. Yum. Celia, what do you think? Does that look good? Yeah? Yummy. Very yummy. Alright, let's go this way real fast. See what we can see over here. Lots of goose and duck. Or is that all duck? Might all be duck. Some innards and stuff to see. That's yummy. Yeah. Lots of stuff over here. I like roads like this where there's lots of food, lots of different food and little shops. We're actually just off Zhongshan Beilu, so you can literally walk down like in a straight line all the way into the center of Nanjing from here. It's actually a pretty convenient location. We're just several miles away. Let's go over here. This is never mind. This is a community. We don't want to go in there. All right, so let's go back and check out the other side of the road. Smells good over here. That looks safe. Be careful, so you don't touch that. Let's see if we can squeeze through here. Fall off the edge. Ooh, it's a tight squeeze. We made it. Let's go this way. Gotta be careful, Celia. This road is uneven. All right. That looks good. It smells really good. Look at that, Celia. Mmm. Careful.不好意思，我又是来拍视频。谢谢。那你头发有什么东西？Ooh, Celia, look. Eee, fish and shrimp. Oh, careful. This is a tight squeeze here. Tight squeeze. These guys have a nice nap. I think I should go left. I'm not sure. Let's just go over here real quick and check out this area. Nice breakfast spot here. Yeah. Celia, you have Uggs on. You have Uggs. Look, you have Uggs. There's an Ugg shop. All Uggs. I don't know if they're real or not, but they are Uggs. We are officially in exploration mode. I don't know exactly where this goes. Look at that. Yeah, it's fun. Celia, we gotta go straight and walk the next intersection and we'll go left, okay? Water. Celia. Oh, I think she's gonna want me to hold her. That could be. Well, that's what's been happening the last few times when we go for a walk. Yeah. What? Let's explore. Oh, Celia, look at that. Look. Whoa, look at all these bikes. That's cool. Yeah, there's bikes over there. Lots of bikes. That's fun, isn't it? Lots of bikes. We're almost back. Yeah, so I've lived in Nanjing since 2014, and I've never been over here. So it's just such a huge city. There's so many areas that I've never explored. So it's always cool to come and check out new spots. Really, it's kind of. I mean, I've never even been in like a taxi over here or a bus or anything. I've never even come anywhere close to this area. Fresh exploration for me and for Celia. Ooh, wontons. This is a morning breakfast spot over here. See a doggy. Doggy. Celia, the doggy. Look, over this side. Celia, look at the dog. Look, doggy. Yeah, that's a big doggy. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Yeah. Celia, say hello. Yeah, it's a cute little doggy. Oh, he's a mama. She's a mama. Oh, he's a mama. She's a mama. Yeah. Oh, we're almost back. We're almost back. Gotta keep going, keep going. Keep going until we get back home, okay? When we get home, then I'll pick you up. Celia. Relax. Oh. Oh. Yeah, she's been doing this last few times. Oh, we're almost back. We're almost back. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this video short because she is getting impatient and she's crying now. She wants me to pick her up. I'm gonna have to carry her all the way back home, aren't I? I'm gonna have to carry you back home, aren't I? Anyway, we will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button for baby Celia. And yeah, we will see you in the next one, okay? Yeah, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.